Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making this beautiful Pan Dulce mug set using Dollar Tree dinnerware and Crystalac. If you like what you see, hit that like button and let's get started. The first step is to always start with a sanded and prepped cup. Make sure to get it really scratched and scuffed up. It really helps the Crystalac adhere to the cup and you won't be able to tell when it's all done. Here I'm just showing you how I made an insert for my cup on the fly, just in case you're impatient like me and don't want to wait to order one. All I did was wrap an extra paint rag into a fat long tube, wrap that around a pool noodle, and secured with a clean hair tie and double-sided foam tape on the sides. The tape is very strong and holds very well, and I promise you the cup won't move. Next, you're going to want to add 3 coats of bright tone, waiting 4 hours between each coat to dry. Next step is to cut and apply the water slides. After getting a general idea of where you want to place them, add a couple at a time to the water for about 30 seconds. They should easily come off the backing. Don't force them or you will get cracks in your image. After applying them all, get a dry paper towel and dab all excess water from the images and cup and let them dry at least 8 hours. The water slides should be stuck on pretty well after letting them dry. If they slide or move, they are not ready. If they are ready, apply 3 more coats of bright tone. And don't forget 4 hours between coats. Next, spray paint the entire cup with whatever color you'd like to be on the inside of the mug. I'm using Rust-Oleum's Pink Peony. Then spray paint with whatever color you'd like to show on the outside. I'm using Rust-Oleum's Summer Squash. After the cup has gassed off for at least 24 hours, go over the cup with 2 more coats of bright tone. After the bright tone has thoroughly dried, Add the water slides using the same steps you did before. After the water slides had dried, I went through using a dotting tool and white acrylic paint from Dollar Tree's craft section to create polka dots over the entire cup. I then let the cup dry for around 4 hours to make sure the acrylic paint was totally dry. Finally, we're on the last step. All we need now is 5 more coats of bright tone and the cup is finished. For the plate, sand and prep just like the cup, but only on the underside of the plate. Do absolutely nothing to the top. Then add 3 coats of bright tone to the bottom, once again waiting 4 hours between coats. After adding the water slides and polka dots to the plate, let the paint dry and then add 3 more coats of bright tone. I wasn't going to share this, but I thought, meh, what the heck, everyone makes mistakes. But what I did is I used an old piece of transfer tape that I thought wasn't that sticky and thought that would be perfect to cover the center while painting the edge. But I was super wrong and it lifted the bright tone and the water slide, so do not do that. ended up doing is using the non-sticky part of the circle I cut and just laid that over the pink portion of the plate while I sprayed the edge yellow. I then used the yellow circle I just spray painted over and used that to cut out a circle in a thick piece of cardstock. I then placed the cardstock over the plate covering the yellow portion and painting the center pink. After the plate was done drying, I then spray painted with the yellow covering the pink. When the plate is all dry, you can add white polka dots to the bottom if you'd like. I decided not to, so I went ahead and added 4 more coats of bright tone. And that's it, we're all done. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.